such a possibility of making absolutely indelible mess. Okay, here goes. Okay, going around in a circle here. At the top there's Vasper with the collar. Next to that one is the little curly one, who I hope will become Angela's puppy. But if Angela doesn't like that one, then she'll probably take the third one, which is my favourite. Her tail's down now, because she's concentrating on eating. And as for little Yap, well, up there where it's safe is Sachi. Hassle. Precious. Sometimes he almost seems to enjoy it. He's getting tongue-kissed now by Simina. Sometimes he's tempted to open his mouth very wide and just swallow the whole. In the meantime, Sachi is looking down safely and listening to what I'm saying. Hi, Sach. Do you want to come down? Yeah. Play with your pups? What? Okay, I've taken a great risk here, turning on a lamp so that we can see what's happening a little bit better. I wanted to show Fate of the Records. This is a record cover which is currently being eaten. One of those delicious little polythene things. I could try to retrieve it. I think it's probably more or less beyond repair. Besides, they're having such fun with it.